Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn and write 4th class Maths Magic Workbook Semester 3 Chapter Fractions. Worksheet number 1, Subtopic Equal Parts. First question, tick the figures which are divided into equal parts. Yes, first one, this is not divided into equal parts. This is divided into equal parts. This one also. This is not divided into equal part. Next question. Shade half of the following figures. Yes, this is half in this figure and this is half in this figure. This is half of the in this figure and here this is half of the figure. Next question. Observe the following pictures and divided them into equal halves. Yes, here in this picture are 4 horses are there. So we divided into 2 parts. Next here 6 elephants are there. So we divided into 2 parts. That means these are 2 equal halves. Next see, in this figure there are 2 flowers. So we divided into 2 halves here. Next to D, in this figure 8 balls are there. So we divided into 2 equal halves. Next worksheet number 2, subtopic equal halves. First question, color exactly half of each picture. In this picture this is half. In this picture this is the half. And in this picture these 2 are halves, and in this picture these 8 boxes are. Yes, we colored exactly half of the pictures. Next question, in the following half of each figure is drawn for you. Complete the remaining half. Yes, we completed all the remaining halves. Next question, which of the following figures shown are exactly half? Mark them with. These circles are exactly half. So this is right and this is not. This slate is shown exactly half and this part also shown exactly half. Next question, which of the following figures shown are not exactly half? Mark them with tick. Yes, this bat is shown exactly half. This is also half. Top also half. This triangle is not exactly half. Next worksheet number 3, subtopic part of a whole. First question, shade 3/4 of each of the following. Yes, these pictures are divided into equal 4 parts. Here we have to shade 3/4 of each of the picture. In these 4 circles, we have to shade 1, 2, 3 circles. And in this square, we have to shade 1, 2, 3. In this half circle, we have to shade 1, 2, 3 part of this picture. And here, this picture also, we have to shade 1, 2, 3 parts of. And in this triangle has 4 equal parts. So we have to shade 1, 2, 3 parts. Yes, we shaded 3/4 of each of the picture. Next question. Shade 2/3 of each of the following. This picture divided into 3 parts. So we have to shade 2 parts. And this one we have to shade 2 parts. In this picture also we have to shade 2 parts. And in this picture we have to shade 2 equal parts. Here this picture is divided into 6 parts. So we have to shade 2 equal parts. 1 and 2. Yes, we shaded 2/3 of each of the picture. Next question, shade 1/3 of each of the following. Yes, we shaded 1/3 of each of the following picture. Next worksheet number 4, subtopic vocabulary of fraction. First question, complete the following. Here given fraction, total parts or units, shared parts, to be shared parts. First fraction 1/5. Here total parts are 5, shared parts are 1 and to be shared parts are 4. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 laddus in a box. 1 by 5 means total laddus are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shared laddus are 1. Remaining to be shared laddus are 4. Next 3 by 8. This is a tablet sheet. Total tablets are 8. Shared tablets, that means shared parts are 3. 1, 2, 3. So remaining tablets are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means to be shared parts are 5. Next, total tablets are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In a tablet sheet, there are 7 tablets in a tablet sheet. Total tablets are 7. Shared tablets are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining tablets are 1, 2, 3. That means to be shared parts are 3. So here fraction is total tablets are 7. Shared parts are 4. 4 by 7. Next 3 by 11. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total tablets are 11. That means total parts 11. Shared parts, that means shared tablets are 3. Next remaining tablets are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means to be shared parts are 8. Next total parts are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is sheet of tablet. So total parts are 9. So to be shared parts are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means remaining tablets are shared parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shared parts are 5. To be shared parts are 4. Here fraction is total parts are 9. Shared parts are 5. 5 by 9. Next question. Fill in the blanks in the given table. Yes, here fraction, numerator, denominator, fraction, read as 2 by 3. In this fraction, 2 is called numerator, 3 is called denominator. 2 third. Read as 2 out of 3. In this fraction, 4 is numerator, 11 is denominator. 4 11th. Next to 3 by 5. In this fraction, 3 is numerator and 5 is denominator. 3 fifth. We have to read 3 fifth. That means 3 over 5. Next fraction is 8 by 10. Numerator is 8. Denominator is 10. We have to read 8 tenth. 8 out of 10th. Next fraction 5 by 9. 5 is the numerator. 9 is the denominator. Fraction is 5 ninth. And we have to read as 5 by 9. Next worksheet number 5. Subtopic fractions. Write the fractions represented by the shaded part in the given boxes. Here this box divided into 3 parts. So shaded part is 1. So 1 by 3. This rectangle divided into equal parts. Shaded parts are 2. So 2 by 3. Next this rectangle has divided into 4 parts. So shaded part is 1. So 1 by 4. Total equal parts are 4. Shaded part is 1. This rectangle has divided into 4 parts. Shaded parts are 2. 2 by 4. Next this rectangle divided into 4 equal parts. Shaded parts are 1, 2, 3. So shaded part is numerator and total parts are denominator. Next this triangle has divided into 3 parts. So shaded part is 1. 1 by 3rd. Next this triangle has divided into 3 parts. Shaded parts are 2. Total parts are 3. 2 by 3. Next, this circle has divided into 8 parts. Shaded part is 1. So 1 by 8. Yes, this circle also divided into 8 equal parts and shaded parts are 2. 2 by 8. This circle also divided into 8 parts. So shaded parts are 3. 3 by 8. This circle has divided into 8 equal parts. Shaded parts are 4. 4 by 8. Here total beads are 30. Shaded beads are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 by 30. Next, this square divided into 16 equal parts. Shaded parts are 4. So 4 by 16. This square divided into 16 equal parts. Here shaded parts are 8. 8 by 16. Next, this square has divided into 8 equal parts and shaded parts are 2. So 2 by 8. And this square also divided into 8 equal parts. Shaded parts are 3. So 3 by 8. This square divided into 8 parts. So shaded part is 1. Next, this square also divided into 8 equal parts. Shaded parts are 4. 4 by 8. So fraction is 4 by 8. Next, worksheet number 6. Stop topic, fractional numbers. First question, write the fraction for each of the following fractional number. One has been done for you and vice versa. Serial number, fraction, fractional number. A. 3/4. 3 by 4th. B. 5 by 6. 5 6th. Next, 1 by 9. 1 9th. Next, D. 8 by 7. 8 7th. Next, 9 by 10. 9 10th. Next, F. 11 15th. 11 by 15. Next, 6 by 7. 6th 7th. Next, 2 3rd. Next, 1 by 6. 1 6th. Next, 4 25th. Next, do the following. A. Write the numerator of the fraction 5 by 9. So 5 is the numerator. Next, B. What part of our national flag is green? Our national flag has 3 colors. So green color is 1/3. Next, how many quarters make a whole? 4 quarters make a whole. Next question, how many quarters make a half? 2 quarters make a half. Next, worksheet number 7. Subtopic word problems. Do the following. First question, how much does a quarter and a half become? This is quarter of the circle plus this is half of the circle. So is equal to that means 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 that equal to 4. 1 plus 2 that is equal to 3 by 4. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 that is equal to 3 by 4. That means 1 quarter and 1 half become 3 by 4th. Next question, how many halves make a whole? So this is half of the circle plus this is half of the circle. So that is equal to 2 halves make a whole 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 that is equal to 2 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 ones are that is equal to 1. Next question, how much is the half of 60? 30 is the half of 60. So 60 into 1 by 2 that equal to 60 by 2. 2 ones are 2 30s are that equal to 30. So 30 is the half of 60. Next, what is the numerator of 12 by 17? In this fraction, the number which is written above the horizontal line is called numerator. So 12 is the numerator. Next question, write the denominator of 3 by 6. The number which is written below the horizontal line is called denominator. So here 6 is the denominator. Okay, remaining worksheets will continue in another video. Until then, take care of you. Bye. Thank you.